kabali, sa video nito, pag-uusapan nito, ilalabas po natin ang ating pinakabago po na mock draft kabala. At may malaking pagbabago na naman po dito sa ating mock draft kasi may isasama tayong dalawang malaking pangalan. So, hindi pa lang subscribe, pakipindot po yung subscription button. So, let's start po, or we will actually talk about isa lang po. Ito nga pong naging decision po ng UAAP against Ateneo Basketball. Kabal, of course, alam niyo na, di ba? Alam na lahat ng tao ano pong nangyari. Si Baterbonia po and si Avili Gabola, namatay po sila during a training camp sa Aurora. And now, nilabas na po ng Ateneo kung ano po yung kanilang decision. Ang decision po nila, perpetual ban po. Basically, banned forever na po si Coach Taldwin. And then, yung iba pa pong kasama niya, actually po, sa management ng team, Kabola, suspended po sila. Pero, ang pinaka-crucial is that Ateneo will have a path. Meron po silang path para makapag-participate sa pabarating po na season. They just need to prove, Kabola, that they have a clear guidance now or processes sa magpapatakbo daw po ng kanilang basketball team. And to me, that is laughable, pero hindi po yan yung ating point of view right now. Ang focus natin, because of this, that means may path na rin po para ma-prove ng dalawa pong malaking pangalan yung kanilang kabilidad, Kabola, which is yung dalawa nga pong one and done nitong Ateneo. So, I'm talking about EJ Capihe at saka si Travis Roberts. Si EJ Capihe, baka ito po yung mas familiar po kayo kasi siya po ay nagsalita. If you remember, di ba? Nagsalita po siya, dito po sa nangyari kina Rene at saka kay Divine, Kabola. So, ito pong si Capihe though is sa Hawaii naglaro and yung mga numbers niya po ay not really that impressive. Pero the guy, if you look at him, he is obviously strong, di ba? And he obviously plays inside. Sa senior year niya, 7.3 points for kung saan siya nang galing. So kung si Capihe po will show us that he is a great player in UAAP, most likely ma-hype din po siya into a top 5, top 8 pick, Kabola. Now, mas hype po itong kasama nitong si Capihe, si Travis Roberts. Unang-una, naglaro po ito sa NCAA. 4 years yan. 119 games po under his pockets, Kabola. Although the numbers, again, are not impressive. 3.2 points, 1.3 rebounds, di ba? Pero, if you watch him play, it's obvious that he can be special. Kasi he's around 6'5", 6'6", and he handles the ball really well. He plays like a wingman. And if we know, kapag ganito po ang galawan, Kabola, the likelihood that you can do well in the PBA is high. Marami na po tayong nakita ang ganyan. We have Sub Lucero, we have Jamie Malonzo. As long as you are 6'5", 6'6", and you handle the ball well, you have a good chance in the PBA. Kaya naman po, mataas ang hype nitong si Roberts entering his lone UAAP season. Now, may isa pang pangalan na kino-consider na rin natin that will be shown to graduating player po ito ng Ateneo. 6'3", 6'4", although yung mga numero niya po last season is not really that impressive. Especially po his inability to hit outside shot kasi wingman forward siya sa PBA, and of course hitting outside shot will be crucial. Now, let's go now to our mock draft. As you can see, we have actually a much better draft now. If sumali nga itong dalawang one and done ng Ateneo.